Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Banis Chege and this is Banis Chege YouTube channel, a channel where we do anything, a channel where we cook, we do clean, we do game, we do talks. And today guys, I'm inviting you to cook my, is it dinner or is it supper with me? So today I'll be cooking ugali and pork. And as you can see, nimekelea maziwa ichemke, and these are my ingredients that nataka ku prepare. Then we go straight into cooking. If you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing. I know my video is not that clear because it's at night, niko kitchen. Natumia tu light ya steamer. So guys, let's prepare the ingredients, then we cook together, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video. Guys, I love you so much. Thank you for the love and for the support. Continue subscribing, continue sharing my content, and guys, I know we are going to get monetized. And guys, remember to watch my content as many times as possible. So guys, let's go straight into kutengeneza ingredients, then we go straight into cooking. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. See ya guys. So in the meantime, sitaki kuanza kupika pale, kutengeneza vitu pale, then maziwa imwagike. So nataka kwanza nigoje my maziwa ichemke vizuri. You can see it's boiling. I put it there, I put it there. Then I go back into kukatakata vitu zangu. Juu unajua maziwa ukiondokea inamwagika. So guys, subscribe, like, comment and share. So guys, imagine I'm still standing here waiting for hii maziwa to boil na iko tu hapo. And once I turn, imwagike. Nini inakuanga shida ya maziwa by the way? Abu guys, try and make me understand out there in the comment section, uniambie. Shida ya maziwa inakuanga gani, maziwa ama chai? Uko unangoja iboil, haiboil. But ukiturn, nasikia inamwagika. I can see ni kama inanisikia. It's boiling. Acha tugoje ipande. Imagine I'm still waiting here standing. Mi nanisinya. Finally. So guys, let's go and prepare the ingredients. So guys, I start by cutting my onion. I'm going to cook wet fry pork. My onions. Then my hoho. This is my hoho. I don't know how you cut your hoho, but me, I cut them sometimes zikuwa mrefu mrefu, sometimes tukua tudogo. So let me today cut this refu. Hii kisu inaniangusha. I think that's not enough. I need to add. Mimi nakulianga chakula utamu. I don't know about you guys. If the food is tasty, hata kama nimeshiba lazima nimebite. But tasteless food I don't. Si maringo, lakini chakula ni utamu. So I have my budget. So I'm going to cut it into two. I've already washed it. So hizi nazipendanga kuzikata zikuwa cubes. Then I kata my nyanya. Then another one. I wanted to put 3, but I'll put 2. Nimeona zimekuwa mob. So guys, let's go straight into cooking. So guys, I keep on stirring, waiting for maji yetu ya ugali iboil. While I'm stirring the pork, you can see ime change. Inaenda ikichange as you keep on stirring. Me, I don't boil. This is what I do. Yes. As we wait for maji yetu iboil ya kupika ugali. Keep on stirring. Our water imeboil. So I don't know how you cook, but as for me, nachotanga maji kidogo, because I'm not going to kupika hiyo ugali yote. So I'm going to cook. This is my mwiko. I'm going to cook while stirring these ones. So let me reduce some water. To speak ugali mob mimi. This is my unga container. So it has boiled. So guys, our ugali imeiva, nimeitoa kwa jiko ndo hiyo. So let's concentrate on cooking our pork. So I want you to dry in, sijui ni maji ama ni mafuta yake, dry kabisa. Then I add mafuta kiasi, then we cook. I have my onions, you can see my onions and capsicum, hoho. And I have my courgette and tomatoes. So let's see how this goes. So you can see already, so niweke mafuta kiasi. Najua poke ikaanza mafuta but hii inakaa dry. Sasa niweke tu kidogo. I think that's enough. So guys, I'm going to keep on stirring. Ingene vizuri. Then I put my salt. I put my salt hapa. Then I stir. I'm not going to put a lot. I'm not going to put spices. Then I add my soy sauce. This one. This is not that superior. I stir kabisa. Then I put my onion. I stir. Then I let them cook kiasi, then niweka nyanya. So guys, our kitunguu and hoho zimeiva. As for the pork, takangi kitunguu yangu iiva ikuwe golden brown. Pendangi, natanga ikuwe hivyo ndio ikuwe wet fry ingine long. Then we put our mixture of nyanya and courgette. We stir. We stir kiasi, then tufunike, we let them cook. Then we stir them kiasi tena, then zifunike, zive vizuri. Then I put my coriander. My coriander naiweka ikiwa ya mwisho kabisa after food imeiva, naiweka then nafunika. So let me give them time zive vizuri. Unaweza na venye zinakaa ndani. I'm cooking wet fry pork and ugali. So give them time zive vizuri, nyanya and the courgette, then tuweke dania. So guys, I think ziko ready. So what I'm going to do is to put my coriander, these ones. Nikoroge kiasi. Then I switch off my gas, nizifunike, ready to serve. It looks so yummy. It looks so yummy. So guys, continue subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing. Wacheni nionyeshe ugali. So my supper is ready. That's ugali. My ugali. This is my pork. Guys, let me go and enjoy eating my meal and see you guys in another video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and don't forget to leave a comment. And guys, let's meet in another video. Bye guys.